Hello, and welcome to Nerdcrafteria, where we have suddenly an entire town on our hands. Now, some people haven't yet built their houses, but all of the plots in the main area of town have been purchased, and most of them have been built on in a fairly substantial way, which is pretty cool, honestly. Like, this is a weird building. It's made of stairs. It's made of stacked stairs. That's an interesting way to get a texture. There's some really giant, creepy Mordor torches, and people are representing their countries, which I like to see flags flying. Got a giant Scottish flag over here because these people are obviously friends, and so together they bought plots, or it's the same person who bought 3 plots by having 3 different characters log in. I don't know how he did that, but or she. But it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, I gotta say. This person made, and wait for it, a TARDIS that is also a farm tower. It's a tower farm TARDIS. So that's pretty great. This person just made a giant hole in the ground. So that's intense. Oh my god, that was a slime. I didn't even realize. How the heck did they do this? This is nuts. That was a lot of... Yep, here we go. Anyway, that was cool. Spawn is not yet made. We did put in a reef arena. I don't really know how reef works. I've never done it before. There's a This Star Won't Go Out tower. There's quite a lot of skyscrapers. I really like this rocket ship here. Also, this creeper house is quite nice, but the rocket ship is just... I like it. It looks like... Is it the rocket ship from Pikmin? That's what it looks like. And then there's some skyscrapers over here. This is the area of town where my house is, and also that's where the bank is. So this is sort of turned into downtown with a lot of pretty big buildings, a lot of skyscrapers. They just keep getting taller. I really like this one. It feels like a skyscraper, you know. It just has that feel to it. But out on Lighthouse Point, there is still a lot of space left for people to join up. Right out on the very edge... interestingly, this person got one of the nicest plots on the server. It's not very big, but they just planted a farm there. And so, let's just go out and around so we can see Lighthouse Point from the ocean here, which would be nice if there was... we could have some boat tours of Nerdcrafteria. We have a height limit on Lighthouse Point, so that's why everybody's houses are the exact same height. But really nice houses. This actually turned out to be a plot that isn't connected to anything, so we might just extend it so that this person can have more space. This one is saved. We've saved a few for contests and stuff. I'm getting herky-jerky. This is the herky-jerkiness, by the way, if you are seeing that. Should this be on fire? Yes, it should. If you are seeing the herky-jerkiness, that is because of my computer, not because of the server. My computer's having a hard time handling this. Wow, I was here like 5 minutes ago and this house wasn't here. So that's pretty cool. And just in general, lots of people are doing cool stuff. There's a lot more space. This person's just throwing seeds around. There's a lot more space in Old Nerdcrafteria. There's a bunch of, like, the mining world has still got plenty of space, of resources in it that we will be recreating it fairly soon. This person is just doing something weird. Crouchy. And then if you want to enter the contest for Spawn, you can build that in Creative World, and you should do that this week. And if you can't finish by Monday or Tuesday, you probably shouldn't even start, because we have to choose pretty quick, because obviously we need a spawn, and I'm just being surrounded by people, which is kind of freaking me out. So, all right, a little space. That's good. And yeah, it's really cool. I like it a lot. Let me set the time today so that you can see it in the daytime. Here it is in the daytime. Oh, Nerdcrafteria, you're pretty cool. I love that I laid out a city and then people built it. So yeah, we're creating more plots. There are still quite a lot of plots to get, and there will be more added, so you don't have to worry about that. There's lots of plots available in Southtown, which is also known as Old Nerdcrafteria. The town of the people who had the original Nerdfighter server. There will be lots of plots in other towns as soon as we set those up, and there will also be more plots in this town. So you don't have to worry about there not being plots. We're always laying down more... Don't talk about the hand cave. Doesn't exist. And Yeah, we'll be adding more plots. There will always be space for more nerd fighters in Nerdcrafteria, except that the server really can only accept about 130 people at a time before it starts to crash. You can see it's already pretty laggy right now. So that's the situation here in Nerdcrafteria. I'm liking a lot of the architecture. There's we've got everything basically. We've got TIE fighters, we've got Mario, we've got, everything from like really cute, well-designed houses. I really like this one with the another brick stairs and fences and the white wool. If that's white wool, I'm not sure if it is or not. It is. I really like that Rainy Case house. This one's really cute and well done. It's got hedges, for Christ's sake. That's freaking awesome. It's got freaking hedges. Well done. So that's just like a cute, normal house. And then we've also got like, crazy Eye of Mordor things going on. As always, people are just following me around, I feel like. Are you guys just following me around? It's a little weird. It's a little weird. Go about your business. All right. Well, I'm out. You will not see me. I will not see you, but you will hear me next time as they're just jumping. As I explore more of Nerdcrafteria. And maybe I will see you if you're here on the server. But anyway, thanks for all the great architecture, people. Thanks for all the inspiration in creating a really cool town. And we will continue to make this a great and exciting and cool place. Goodbye.